Meteorologist Dave Warren joining us now. Dave, I got caught in that lovely downpour we had a little bit earlier.
Yes, they're quick, very heavy rain, yes, but they're winding down at least for now. There's still one flood advisory in effect, goes just west of Cutler Bay down through Homestead, southern Miami-Dade, still under a flood advisory till 6:45. Likely that will be allowed to expire. Everything else is expired, but the flooding roads, some poor drainage areas still could be a problem here in Broward and Miami-Dade this evening. You see what happens with these storms. The red disappears. It turns into just this light and moderate rain. Eventually that will taper off as well, but still coming down pretty good here just east of Homestead and east of Florida City. The storms have worked their way to the interior. They're really developing here, especially this one right up here just west of 27, although this storm trying to creep back into the metro areas there around Southwest Ranches. Outflow from storms up to the north and into the interior coming together right here. It appears that the storm is developing and not trying to move much. It's just west of the metro areas here, but you're seeing lightning, you're hearing the thunder, and it might try to creep its way back across the area here in Broward County, say over the next hour. Things are pretty much over the interior. It's been pretty quiet in the Keys. Computer forecast actually doing a really good job of picking up what's happening initially here. So the storms are around, but say from 5 to about 7, the rain tapers off. And then after 8 o'clock tonight, things look pretty quiet. So it's your afternoon, your early evening plans impacted by these storms. Late evening or overnight tonight looks pretty quiet, maybe just a few stray showers. Things will start to heat up tomorrow, but the wind direction is starting to change. That'll impact the timing of these storms. So off in the distance, it is cloudy, it is stormy. Rain cooled air there in Miami at 77 degrees, lower 80s in Fort Lauderdale and Key West. Storms will be ending pretty much right now over the metro areas. Watch for flooding, spotty showers, a warm and muggy overnight period. Storms develop a little farther inland tomorrow as we start to see more of an east breeze. Now, this has been this area we've been watching. Just became Tropical Storm Odette. It's already turned to the northeast and will continue to move to the northeast, staying just off the areas there in eastern Canada and moving into the North Atlantic here over the next few days. That is what it looks like with the satellite and radar. We still have that southwest breeze, which gives us these showers and storms, which focus over the interior and right along the east coast. But that changes tomorrow. The wind lightening up just a bit, and we could even start to see an east to southeast breeze developing. So showers and storms will develop and then try to work a little farther inland there tomorrow. And we'll continue to watch another area in the Atlantic. This has a high development potential here over the next 3 to 5 days. 90 degrees tomorrow, storms pushing inland, the wind east to southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Breeze picks up. We have passing showers and storms to the end of the weekend and next week.